Go ahead.
That's up?
Yeah.
Wow, see it settle?
Do it one more time. All right. Do that again, because you can hear it back in here too. All your gel coat and stuff's all getting.
No, that's that pulley.
Oh, is that what it is?
Well,
so it's not really the pin box itself, it's the sides. Go ahead and go back up. But it did snap off, or did bend that a little bit too. But yeah, there's not really any pin box movement.
you won't really know until you open it, you know?
Yeah. So pretty much it's just the back frame area. And what year was this one again?
2018.
2018 Jayco Eagle. So
Yeah. And when I yanked all this out, all these off, and then you pull that piece out from underneath of there, and you take these lags and pre-drill all these holes that are up in here, and then you lag those two pieces back together, and that eliminates like 90% of it. Now,
so this is something that's different than what we've been seeing on like the other Lippert frames?
yeah, this one I've only ever seen it on Jayco, on Eagles specifically. And at one time, Jayco was even sending out these big, long lags. And what they were having you do was you took a drill bit and you drilled, and you had to be super careful or it would walk out sideways, but you would drill these holes to try to reach up into that frame. And then you would run these lags up, and half the time it would work and half the time it didn't. But that's not saying that there's not any damage further back from those pieces now walking together, you know, but yeah, I fixed a few of them.
Yeah, so we wouldn't know until we told it apart.
Yeah.
All right, well, stay tuned for more.